Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have completed the exercise number 1.1. In this video I am going to start with a new concept, that is multiplication of integers. So you have studied the addition and subtraction of integers. In the addition and subtraction of integers you have studied the closure property, commutative property, and that is one more property, that is associative property. So closure property, associative property, and commutative property. So three properties you have studied. In this video you are going to study the multiplication of integers. So first concept you are going to study, that is multiplication of two positive integers. Second one you are going to study multiplication of positive integer and negative integer. Next one, multiplication of two negative integer. First we will study these three concepts, and after that we study the plotting of integers on number line, that is multiplication of integers on number line. Then we study some again three properties in the form of multiplication of integers. So see here, in the multiplication of integers, that is first one you are going to study multiplication of two positive integers. So multiplication of two positive integers means if a and b are two positive integers, means what we can say, then a into b which is equals to ab, a into b which is equals to ab, means you can choose one example. That is, I choose example, that is 5 is one integer. I choose a is equals to 5 and b is equals to I choose as 3. Okay, so a is equals to I choose 5 and b is equals to I choose 3. That is 5 3 is a 15. 5 3 is a 15. Okay, so one more example you can take. I choose a is equals to example number 1. I will write this. Example number 2 says, that is I choose 2 into 3. A is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3, which is equals to, again you know, that is 2 3 is a 6. 2 3 is a 6. So this is the multiplication of two positive integer. If a and b are two integers, then a into b which is equals to ab. Okay, so next to see. So all of you take this example and note down. Next to go through this multiplication of positive integer and negative integers. So see here, one same statement you have to go through. If a and b are two integers, okay, if a and b are two integers, then you can write, if a and b are two integers, then a and b, I choose a is equals to positive integer, b is equals to I choose negative integers. So I choose a is equals to positive integer and b is equals to negative integer, means a into b which is equals to ab, that is plus into minus is minus. Okay, so plus into minus is minus, a into minus b which is equals to minus ab. So by solving the example you will come to know, I choose a is equals to I choose 3 and b is equals to I choose minus 2. Okay, so b is equals to I choose minus 3 into 6, that is 3 into 2 which is equals to 6, and plus into minus is minus. One more example if I go through, that is example number 2. I choose 5 into 2. Okay, so 5 into minus 2. So 5 2s are 10, plus into minus is minus. So this is the, if a and b are two integers, then a into minus b which is equals to minus ab. I take an example, a is equals to 3 and b is equals to minus 2. So 3 2s are 6, that is plus into minus is minus 6. 5 into 2 which is equals to 10, plus into minus is minus 10. Okay, so this is the multiplication of positive integer and negative integers. So all of you go through this one. So one more, Last one we are having as multiplication of two negative integers. If I write if minus a, if a and b are two negative integers, are two integers are two negative integers. So if a and b are two positive integers, you have to write similarly. If a and b are positive and negative integer, you write this as if a and b are positive and negative integer, then you write a into minus b, which is equals to minus ab. If a and b are positive and negative integer, then a into minus b, which is equals to minus ab. So now comes to the multiplication of two negative integers. If a and b are two negative integers, then write minus a into minus b, which is equals to minus into minus, you will get plus, and a into b is ab. Means I choose one example. By solving the example, you come to know. So I choose a is equals to 2, a is equals to minus 2, I choose b is equals to, I choose minus 3. So 2 3s are 6, plus into minus is, whereas minus into minus is plus. Similarly, example number 2, I choose a is equals to minus 5 and b is equals to, I choose minus 6. So 5 6 are 30, plus into minus is, that is minus into minus is plus. So all of you go through this concept, all of you take these statements, take some examples and solve me and send me on my WhatsApp number. So one more concept I am going to solve. Means in the last concept we seen that multiplication of integers. The multiplication of integers we seen whenever we are having the two positive integers, we are getting a positive integers. Whenever you are multiplying the two positive integers, you are getting a positive integer. Second one, you have seen the concept as whenever you are saying that whenever we add or multiply, whenever we multiply one positive integers and one negative integer, I am getting the product as the negative integers. And similarly, when we multiply the two negative integers, I get as a positive integers. So see your conclusion. First of all, lastly, after taking that, you write the conclusion of three cases. In the first case, you have seen when we multiply two positive integers, we get a positive integer. Okay. Similarly, second one, when we multiply two positive integers, we get a positive integer. When we multiply a positive and a negative integer, when we multiply a positive and a negative integer, we get a negative integer, that is, you can write this as a into b, which is equals to ab. This you can write a into minus b, which is equals to, write this as minus of ab. Similarly, the last one, when we multiply two negative integers, then when we multiply two negative integers, then we get a positive integer. A positive integer. Okay, so what about this one? This is minus a into minus b, which is equals to a. So go through these three conclusion. When you solving, lastly, when we multiply two positive integers, we get a positive integer, that is a into b, which is equals to ab, as we seen in the previous example. One more, when we multiply a positive integer and a negative integer, we get a negative integer, that is a into minus b, which is equals to minus ab. Similarly, third one, when we multiply two negative integers, then we get a positive integer, that is minus a into minus b, which is equals to ab. Okay, so I hope so you take this conclusion part. I hope so you understood this concept. So now study one more concept, that is find the following products using number line. So see here, find the following products using number line. So first example, it is 8 into minus 3. So first you write the product. So this is positive integer, this is a negative integer. So you know the 8 table. So 8 3s are 24. Plus into minus is minus. Means you have to choose the numbers on a number line such that it should get 24 when we add it. So see here, I choose this as minus 24 in the form of 8 times minus 3 plus of 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 minus 3. So see here, is it written the 8 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally it is written 8 times, that is you can write, or you can give the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So see here, 8 times, when if you multiply with minus 3 8 times, getting minus 24. So just I written to plot in the form of number line. So see here how to plot on the number line. So just see, you have to draw a number line. So you have to choose that 0, that is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. Okay. So after minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, I choose the 3 table. I choose the 3 table, I write minus 6. Okay, I choose the 3 table, minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18, minus 21, minus 24. Okay, it is from 0 to minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18, minus 21, minus 24. So this is the plotting of the product on the number line. So that is finding the products using the number line. So this is how to plot the number line, that is minus 24. First of all, write 3, that is minus 3 is multiplied with 8 times, you will get minus 24. This minus 24 can be written in the form of addition operation. So is here is written 8 times minus 3, and choose 3 table, 0 to minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18, minus 21, minus 24. 0 to minus 3, minus 3 to minus 6, minus 6 to minus 9, minus 9 to minus 12, minus 12 to minus 15, minus 15 to minus 18, minus 18 to minus 21, then minus 24. Okay, so this is about the concept. One more, 5 2s are 10, plus into minus is minus. Minus 10 you are getting this. Okay, so this is minus 10. So you can write this as minus 5 plus of minus 5. So minus 5 plus of minus 5, you can write this as, you can draw the number line. I choose 0. To 5 table I take, I write minus 5, minus 10, and minus 50. So I go with 0 to minus 5, then I have 0 to 10. So this is your plotting of the product on the number line. So just take these 2 examples, draw the number lines and represent correctly, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. I hope so you understood the product of using number line.